Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you my brand new Hyena. This is a clipper. I got this for $7.89. It was on clearance sale. So if you guys looking for a nice clipper, I already used this clipper. And I already trimmed my hair, and also I trimmed the hair of my boy Tisoy Nathan, and I'm showing you my brand new clipper. So this is the box, and it comes with a warranty card. Well, I don't rely with the warranty through this, but this is only closer to $8, $7 in chains. And it has a 1 year from the date of purchase, but it's a Chinese knockoff clipper. You can compare this to the leading brand clipper in the market, and I highly recommend you guys, if you guys come across and searching for a clipper. So it comes with an adapter. So as what I said, you see the hair, I already used this one. And the clipper itself, it's a beautiful clipper. Well, I keep searching online, and I came across with this Hyena. They made this since 2000, and as you see, it has a 5-star. It's a professional hair clipper. So these are the adapter. It has a 1/2. It has a 1/4 or 6mm. This is a 13mm, the 1/2, number 4, and this is a number 3, and the last one is the number 1. So it has only 4 adapter, and it comes with the blade guard and a USB cable. So this is a clipper itself. As you see, it has some hair because I already used this one. This clipper, I can compare this to some other leading brand that you can buy from Walmart or either Target. And I like this one because this one is it has a digital screen. As you see, the power. So you need to push this down. As you see, it has a 95% of charge, power left, and the clipper can be adjusted from 0 up to 1/4 of an inch, and all the way down to the lever. So what I said a while ago, without being said, that I already used this to my hair and to the hair of my boy. I trim his hair, and I trim my hair as well. It doesn't have any hiccups that it can cause pulling my hair. So it cut very sharp. And this hair clipper, model HYN 201, powered by 5 watts, 5 volts, 1 ampere, charge time 3 hours, made in China. So as what I said a while ago, it's a knockoff brand, $7 in chains, closer to $8. So you will not get wrong. So I can say I got the perfect clipper. As you see, this is the Waltz brand. Waltz is a little bit cost more, and I will highly recommend you guys get the cordless clipper like this, and you will be satisfied for the performance and the blade, which is sharp, very sharp blade. After you use this one, you better clean it. I trim my hair only this morning. I never try to clean this one, but after I'm done with this vlog, I'm going to clean this up and oil the blade. If you will not oil the blade after you use, it create some rust from the blade. Once you have the rust to the blade, that's cause a problem. Whenever you trim the hair, you will find that it pull your hair and it cause a little bit pain to your head and to your hair. You will peel it. That's what happened to my waltz trimmer. Now I know how to maintain a trimmer, a cordless trimmer like this. So since then, since I got this, I will oil this. Once I clean it, I put an oil. You can use whatever oil that you guys will use. There are some brand of oil that you can use. There is a certain brand which is a Singer that you can use. It is a all-purpose oil. So I will recommend you guys use this type of all-purpose machine oil. This all-purpose machine oil, you are able to use this to your sewing machine. And I have an oil which is my gun oil, but I will not use my gun oil for this type of hair clipper. I would rather use this one. This is probably safer. Or either use the engine oil, but I will not use the engine oil. I will use Singer oil for the blade of this cordless clipper. The battery, as you see, I already trimmed my hair. I still have 95% of charge. I fully charged this prior I trim my hair and my boy, and it consumed only 5% of the charge because I fully charged this for 100%. Now it consumed 5% of the charge of this clipper. The battery life, it's remarkable. I don't have any issue whatsoever. But when it comes to waltz, the waltz trimmer that I have, Waltz is also a good brand, but it's not a cordless. I will not recommend you guys to get the Waltz. I have this. This is my old Waltz. It's cord. Yeah, it has a cord, and it comes also with this one. But I highly recommend you guys get this type of clipper. This is a professional clipper. I'm not a professional barber, but I'm able to trim my hair, and I'm able to trim the hair of my boy, and I'm satisfied for the performance of this henna. This is not more than $7, as you see. Henna, make it better. Adjust the switch, on and off switch button, digital display, sharp blade. They claim this is a sharp blade. I can tell you guys my honest opinion that the blades cut really well, and this is a professional hair clipper, not like any other hair clipper that you can discredit, even though that this is a knockoff Chinese brand. But the performance of this blade is really remarkable. It has an intelligent induction anti-pin system. That's what I telling you guys a while ago. If you will not maintain or putting an oil to the blade, after you clean this, you use a brush. After you clean it, you need to use the oil. You need to put a minimal amount of oil to the side, because if you will not put a oil to the blade, that's what I said a while ago, that it can cause pins. It can cause pinching to your hair, that you will feel a little bit pain to your hair, or to your head rather, once it pins your hair. And the cool thing with this, it has a powerful motor, the high rational speed. and a powerful battery. This type of hair clipper, the charging time of this hair clipper is at 3 hours, and the input voltage is 5 volts 1 ampere. Again, the battery is 2000 milliampere, 8 watts, model number HYN201. So this is made in China, knockoff Haina brand, and it comes with the 6 months warranty. But the warranty, I don't think that the warranty will apply for this because this is a Chinese knockoff. And you can buy this online to Walmart, eBay, Amazon. So you just keep searching whoever sell this online. If you see it's on clearance, that's what I basically do. If I see it's on clearance, I used to buy clearance product, and I don't have any problem or whatsoever. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, and if you found my videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless. Thanks for watching.